How you doing, sweetie?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm, I'm doing, man. I'm doing. I'm getting it done. Trying
Man,
to,
I
at
had
least.
look. This was not on my agenda today. Not at
I heard that.
all.
I appreciate you putting adding this on though, because we had
Yeah,
a lot of people seem to bail, and
yeah,
I don't
yeah.
get it. I don't get it. But it is what it is. But yeah, what song you want to do?
Make me want to die by the Pretty Reckless.
That's what's up.
Yeah, it's a good song. Yeah, it's a
All
good
right,
song.
good deal. Let's fucking get
Yeah,
it on. Here we go.
yeah.
Making noise, making noise.
Am I supposed to pick the song or you? I'm confused.
My bad. No, yeah, you load up your song and do it. Yeah, you're good. My
Okay,
bad.
you
Yeah, you
good.
do
So
it.
where am I supposed to load up the song to?
Yeah, I guess I'm bad at explaining how this goes. I guess.
Okay, okay, I see, I see.
Okay.
Yeah, I was confused. I was like, what's going on? I'm alive, I was a girl with a wicked mind, but everything better when the sun goes down. I've had everything, opportunity for eternity. I could belong to the night. Make me wanna die. I'll never be alone. Make me wanna die. Everything lost. I'll burn up in the light. Every time I look in the make me wanna die. Take my soul, show me all the things that I should know. Yeah. I had everything opportunity for eternity. I could go to the night. Everything make me wanna die. I'll never be good enough. Make me wanna die. Everything you lost, but got nothing but love. Every time I look inside your eyes, make me wanna I feel my love, my love. I feel my love. I love the one that's in the light, and every time I look inside your eyes, the one that's in the light.
That was kick-ass, woman.
Thank you.
I do
You
that
gonna
shit
keep
all the
playing?
time. I forget to hit pause on it all the time. It's
Okay.
embarrassing though when
It's
you like,
all.
you just get done singing Lamb of God, and then all of a sudden Barbie Girl comes on after that or some shit like that. I've seen that
In a
happen.
body girl. In a
Oh,
body
I'll
girl.
sing that. I'll sing that. That was awesome though. You did a great job. Loved it.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. Very, very welcome. All right, before
Thank
before
you.
this young lady goes, that was kind enough to I got to thank you again for taking time out of your day to help us out. I really appreciate that. I know Kim
No
does
problem
too.
at all.
Yeah, you did good. You did really good. And Kim, who's next? Do I just need to do one, I guess, or do we have anybody that's coming up next? I ain't heard that song in a long ass time.
Yeah. Me
Like
neither.
that was a fucking throwback right there. That was good.
Exactly. That's like
Yeah.
2010.
Right. Like
Thank
I was still young, dumb, and well,
you.
you know how that goes.
Man,
Young,
I was
dumb.
barely in high school.
2000. Oh, I
I
was
was
out of
a
high
ninth
school.
grader. I was a ninth grader.
Wow. Really? Shit.
Yes.
2010. I was.
Yes.
How old am I now? Okay. I was 30. Yeah. Tell me about it, motherfucker, youngin. She's like, yeah,
Man.
I wasn't even in high school yet. I'm young as shit, yo, motherfucker, is what she just said.
You know?
She said, you said it, not me. Yeah,
Dang.
I feel you. That's good, though.
Well,
Throwback.
all right.
2010 is a throwback. Yeah. All right, honey.
About to head
Thanks
out.
again. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, no problem.
Well, yeah, it's a kind of a throwback. I mean,